Hello, in this video we will review how to use the wishlist function in the Classic Student Center. The wishlist allows for your advisors to easily see what courses you intend to take next semester and make it easier for you to enroll in courses at registration time. You can find the wishlist under your enrollment section of your Classic Student Center. Select your desired term, then hit continue. Click on search to begin building your wishlist. Let's say you want to take Mat 115. Enter that information in the appropriate fields and hit search. You will now be shown all the sections available. If you would like to read the course description, you can do so by clicking on the class or the section. Make sure to check the status of the course. The key is at the top. Open means that there are seats available for you to register. Close means that the class is full or unavailable to register. Waitlist means that the class is full, but you'll be able to add yourself to the waitlist. And reserved means that the course is reserved for a specific population of students. Once you have determined which course you would like to add, hit select. On this next page, you will confirm that you are interested in this course by hitting next. The class is now added to your wish list. Repeat this step until you have completed your wish list. Once your wish list is complete, you are able to validate your courses to make sure that you have the prerequisites and permissions to add the course. If there are any issues, this tool will let you know why you are unable to add the course. Your wish list is now complete. When your enrollment period begins, you will be able to visit your wish list and hit enroll to add those courses. Keep in mind that adding courses to the wishlist does not automatically enroll you in courses. If you need any assistance, please contact your academic advisor.